In this video, I will show how to write above a line in Google Docs. Open the Google Docs. There are some method. First one, write your text and make underline. So this is the first way. Second way, insert the table. Write your text and select border by pressing Ctrl and select the white color, border color as a white, and click anywhere. Now you can increase the font size. Also you can increase the border size. Right click on it. Now click here and you can increase the size for border. Another way, format and paragraph style, border and shading. Select the point and border dash, then apply. Now insert your text. Format, paragraph style, border and shading. Select the just bottom border. Select your required size, color and apply. Now put your text. So these three ways you can write above a line in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.